Our law firm is proud of being the one that changed the law for the state of New York when it comes to construction accidents. And that makes us very sophisticated in this area of law. In construction work, you are exposed to working in very dangerous conditions. That's why safety is so important. That's why there are laws created to make sure that safety protocols are followed. But the kind of work that construction workers do on a daily basis, we don't see that, but they work in a very dangerous conditions. And yes, those accidents usually generate very large, very significant recovery, counted usually in millions. But you have to know exactly what you're doing. Construction laws are very, very complicated, and they are subject to change all the time. What workers do not know is that they will not be afforded any legal protection unless they file a claim right away. If they trust the employer to do the right thing, it practically never happens. You need a good lawyer. You need a lawyer that understands your case, understands the law, and can apply this to your case and guide you by holding your hand throughout the really complicated legal process of filing the construction case and then going through the procedural steps of this case. So remember, without your call, I can't help you. But if you do call me, I'll promise you that I will do everything possible to make sure that at the end of this case, you and your family is secured financially for the rest of your life.